Changing a file path in Power BI might seem tricky, but trust me, it's simpler than finding your lost TV remote. First, find where the current file is linked. Then understand why the change is needed. Maybe the file moved, or maybe you just like organizing your folders at midnight. Pick the best method for modification, and finally, make sure the data refresh doesn't throw tantrums. Because an angry Power BI is never fun. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Think of data source paths as the home addresses of your files. Power BI constantly visits them to pick up data like an efficient mail carrier. But sometimes files move, whether it's an accidental click or a company-wide shuffle. Absolute paths are like fixed home addresses, while relative paths are more flexible. Keeping these paths updated ensures your data stays reliable, because let's face it, nobody likes outdated reports, especially your boss. Imagine this, you've built a perfect Power BI dashboard and suddenly the file moves. It's like losing your favorite coffee mug. Updating file paths is crucial, whether files move to another folder, a cloud drive, or a shared network. Keeping paths updated means avoiding broken links and ensuring your reports don't show blank tables. Trust me, fixing this issue early is way better than explaining errors in a big meeting. Ever had your workspace rearranged without warning? Well, changing file paths in Power BI feels exactly like that. Files move due to upgrades, cloud migrations, or team collaborations. To keep reports running smoothly, adjusting the paths is like giving Power BI a GPS update. Because the last thing we need is a confused dashboard pulling data from nowhere. We all love a well-organized workspace, right? Well, the same applies to our data. A structured folder system saves time and headaches. Using consistent naming conventions keeps things neat. No more mysterious final V2 files. Automation makes life easier by extracting data effortlessly and managing multiple files. Think of it as juggling, but without the risk of dropping anything. M-Code is like the magic wand for Power Query. It lets us change file paths dynamically without breaking things. Parameters are the secret ingredient, making your queries adaptable. Relative file paths. They ensure your setup works on different systems without fuss. Think of it as giving directions that adjust as the road changes. Imagine updating your address and still getting mail at the old place. Frustrating, right? That's why refreshing queries correctly is key. Mastering refresh settings avoids unnecessary errors. Smooth data connections mean fewer headaches. And validating file paths ensures the right data is always in play. Errors happen, but they don't have to ruin your day. Knowing common mistakes helps us stay ahead. Missing files. Maybe they just took a vacation, let's track them down. A broken queries. A little debugging goes a long way. And testing changes ensures we avoid surprises. A prevention is the best cure. Best practices are like life hacks for file management. A structured naming system saves the day. Dynamic paths mean fewer manual fixes. Backups prevent those uh-oh moments. And documentation. A future you will thank you for keeping track of changes. Troubleshooting is part detective work, part problem solving. A broken links. Let's investigate. Incorrect file paths. A quick fix can save time. Permission errors, those annoying roadblocks, can be bypassed with the right settings. Error handling techniques are the safety nets for our workflow. We've covered a lot, from organizing files to preventing errors. A structured file management makes life easier. Keeping data updates seamless ensures smooth operations. And the best part, learning never stops. Keep improving and optimizing your workflow. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.